Find the prime factorization of 180. Well, let's talk for a minute about prime factors. Prime factors are numbers that have only themselves and 1 that go into them. 2 is the first prime number. 3 is also a prime number because the only numbers that go into 3 are 3 and 1. 4 is not a prime number because it also has a factor of 2. 5 is a prime number because it has factors of only 5 and 1. 6 is not a prime number because 2 and 3 go into it in addition to the 1 and 6. 7 is a prime number because only 1 and 7 go into it. Now we could go on and list many prime numbers, but let's go ahead and get started on our problems. To find the prime factorization of 180, I am going to start by dividing by 2. 180 is an even number, so 2 will go into it, and it goes 90 times. I see that I can do 2 again, and so I will. 2 goes into 90 45 times. Now if I could keep dividing by 2, then that is exactly what I should do, but 45 is not an even number. So let's go down to the next prime number, which is 3. I will take 3 into 45, and it goes 15 times. I can do 3 once more, and with the answer of 5, I'm done. So the prime factorization of 180 is 2 times 2 times 3 times 3 times 5. Perhaps we should write this in a little bit more compact way. So that would be 2 squared times 3 squared times 5. And that is the prime factorization of 180. Let's go on and do the prime factorization of 504. Once more, we're going to start with the number 2 because we can. 2 goes into 504 2, 5, 2 times. And I see that I could divide by 2 once more, so I should. 2 goes into 252 1, 2, 6, or 126 times. That is also an even number, so I will divide by 2 again. 2 goes into 126 63 times. 63 is not an even number, so let's go to the next prime number, which is 3. 3 goes into 63 21 times. 3 can go into 21 7 times, and I am done. So the prime factorization of 504 will be 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 3 times 7. And again, if I write it in as compact a way as possible, I will have this as the prime factorization of the number 504. We have one more problem that we can do, 330. Well, once more, this is an even number, so let's start with 2. 2 goes into 330 1, 6, 5, or 165 times. That is not an even number, so let's try 3. 3 does go into 165 55 times. 3 does not go into that number, so I will divide by the next prime number, which is 5, which goes into 55 11 times, and we are done. The prime factorization of 330 would be 2 times 3 times 5 times 11. And that is as compact as we can make it.